In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and launch a successful live stream using Riverside.fm. First, you'll want to enter your Riverside studio. To do this, log into your Riverside.fm account and from your dashboard, navigate directly into your Riverside studio. This is where the magic happens and you'll have all the tools you need at your fingertips. Once you're inside your studio, the next step is to access your live stream tools. Look for a live streaming icon, which you should find prominently positioned at the top of your screen, or check in the live stream options. This icon is your gateway to the world of live streaming, where you'll prepare to connect with your audience across various platforms. Adding your social accounts comes next. This is a straightforward process. Simply click the plus icon. Here you can add your various social media accounts or custom RTMP destinations. This setup is crucial as it ties your Riverside studio to your social presence, allowing you to reach your audience no matter where they are. For platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, and LinkedIn, this step is particularly intuitive. You'll be prompted to log in and authorize Riverside to stream directly to your account. Don't worry, it's a one-time setup that will make streaming much easier in the long run. However, if you're considering platforms like Instagram, the process is slightly different. These platforms utilize RTMP, which means you'll need to copy the stream URL and stream key from that platform's producer tab. Paste these details into the custom RTMP fields in Riverside, and you'll be ready to go. With your accounts all set up, it's time to customize your stream. Select the platforms you wish to stream to and give each one a unique title and description. This not only helps in organizing your streams, but also engages your audience with consistent and catchy introductions. Now, for the most exciting part, starting your live stream. When you're ready, simply click the Go Live button or Start button. This signals the beginning of your broadcast across all the selected platforms, a truly thrilling moment. While managing your broadcast, Riverside offers some useful tools. For instance, you can toggle platforms on or off before going live, allowing you to maintain flexibility with connected accounts for future streams. Additionally, Riverside enables you to display live chat, insert lower thirds for professional polish, and record high-quality local versions of your stream, which can be a fantastic resource for post-stream edits or highlights. And there you have it. You're all set to deliver a seamless and engaging live stream experience to your audience. All from the versatile and user-friendly Riverside.fm. Happy streaming.